Viking Line has its roots in the archipelago. The love for the sea and nature with which the company's founders grew up characterizes the business even today. Since the start of traffic, more than 234 million passengers, 24 million cars, and 4 million freight units have crossed the Baltic Sea with Viking Line. Today, the company consists of almost 3,000 employees and 7 vessels operating in the northern Baltic Sea. About 6.5 million travellers and 130,000 freight units are transported annually between Sweden, Åland, Finland, and Estonia.
At Viking Line, we want to shoulder our responsibility, and we're constantly working to improve. We want to be a pioneer in environmental thinking and climate-smart technology.
Viking Line does extensive environmental work in order to minimize its environmental impact. One of the cornerstones of the company's environmental work is to improve the energy efficiency of its vessels and thus reduce emissions. Viking Line has managed to reduce the carbon footprint of its fleet by nearly 30% between 2008 and 2020.
We care deeply about the Baltic Sea. None of our vessels pump out the wastewater into the sea. We pump all the wastewater to the treatment plants ashore.
The waste generated on board is recycled or otherwise disposed of ashore. We've also made major progress in reducing our food waste.
Viking Line cooperates tightly with local producers, and a great deal of the food served on board originates from locations close to the company's area of operations.
The food is really important. It's usually one of the highlights to our passengers during the trip. And we try to serve local and organic food as much as possible here on board.
A true flagship in Viking Line's environmental work is Viking Grace, the first passenger vessel of its size to operate on liquefied natural gas, or LNG for short. Using LNG as fuel has resulted in a reduction of nitrogen emissions by 85%, and sulfur and particulate emissions are practically zero.
Viking Glory will be one of the most climate-smart passenger ships in the world, with lots of new technology.
Viking Glory represents a new and groundbreaking generation of passenger vessels. The vessel is equipped with several technological innovations that help to reduce emissions as well as the environmental impacts of shipping.
We are really looking forward to our new ship, Viking Glory.
We shape the travel experience of tomorrow with the environment and comfort in mind. Welcome to a greener, more comfortable world. Welcome to Viking Line.